Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Hello everyone. In this video, we'll explore how to determine the valency of calcium, a common element. We'll start by looking at its fundamental atomic structure. Calcium's atomic number is 20, which tells us it possesses 20 protons in its nucleus and 20 electrons orbiting around it. This foundational knowledge is crucial for understanding its electron arrangement and, ultimately, its chemical behavior. Next, let's consider how these 20 electrons are distributed among the electron shells. The innermost shell, the first one, is completely filled with 2 electrons. Moving outwards, the second shell then fills up with 8 electrons. Following that, the third electron shell also becomes completely filled, holding another 8 electrons. This systematic filling helps us visualize the electron configuration. Now, with the first 3 shells accounted for, we have used 2 plus 8 plus 8, totaling 18 electrons. This leaves us with 2 electrons from the original 20. These final 2 electrons reside in the outermost shell, which is the 4th shell for calcium. These particular electrons are critically important. They are called valence electrons, and they dictate how an atom will interact with other atoms. Finally, let's determine calcium's valency. Atoms aim for a stable electron configuration, often by having 8 electrons in their outermost shell. Calcium, with its 2 valence electrons, finds it much easier to lose these 2 rather than gain 6. By losing 2 electrons, it achieves a stable configuration and forms an ion with a positive 2 charge. This tendency to lose 2 electrons means calcium's valency is 2.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.